just got done posting TikTok videos on YouTube and Google's. They're practicing. My parents, they're practicing some people quiz from my church. Because I've been hearing noises after I was done posting that Boy Meets World TikTok videos. I don't know what to do, but let me know in the comments below if what you guys think that I could do. This goose stuff isn't going well too good right now. Rush and Tyler are not here. Our house goose right there, as you guys can see. Goose, nothing's really going on with it, but Rush and Tyler are not there. And I got a nice trampoline, but what the heck? Goose, do you hear that? I'm gonna be scared for sure. What was that? I see him. Huh? Who? Because I'm already scared of these pictures though. So they keep staring at me wherever I go. What the, bro? What am I hearing? Someone push me. Stop it, whoever you are. Oh my gosh. I'm scared, Goose. Goose! What the heck, Goose? I just got jump scared with that picture. Goose! There's something going on. Goose, I don't understand how I didn't die though. Because I'm supposed to oof or die, but even when I get jump scared by something that wants to kill me, Goose. It's Goose, yeah. Doesn't make sense. Yeah. No, Goose. Goose, who knows? Oh! Goose, I tripped. Goose. Goose. I'm the only one in this room right now, but over there, Goose, they're over there doing some stuff. But Goose, there's something going on. I'm gonna welcome Goose. Yeah, ghosts too, not just humans. Is here to keep birds, Goose? It's kind of a nice day today. I wouldn't say like really nice. It's in the 50s right now, so it's kind of cold, Goose. A little chilly. Goose. I thought I just saw someone run up here or something, but it was silence when they were running up here. Hello? Nope. Goose, there's no way. I know in movies they say, hello, they fall for it, Goose. Because me? No, I'm different, Goose. Some other people are too, just like me, but I don't know. I say help me. Oh, God. Help me. Oh, someone pushed me. Someone threw me in the backwards. Someone pulled my shirt and threw me. Help me. Who's doing this? Who's doing this, Goose? I'm so scared, Goose, that I might stop that video early. Oh my gosh. Goose, what am I hearing right now? I'm a ghost, and you aren't. So you don't belong in this room. These are those people over there that are singing. So I suggest you to get out now. Goose. Oh, who are you? A ghost. Ow. Who are you? There's an accident right there. Good. He's grabbing my arm. It's what he's done. No, he's not there anymore. This is messed up. I'm going somewhere. I lost my mom. I still have skills.